How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and we're back working on the Micra again now. The panic's on because we're getting less and less time to finish this. Last episode we finished up the lip, got it bolted up and we got it in primer. Today hopefully we can finish up these side skirts and get the side skirts and the lip in paint. It's getting tight, but I think we can do it. I've put these bits of tape on the ends. That's where I'm going to cut it, just so we can fit it up to the car and get it bolted up and it's not hitting off any wheels. That's not the final cut. I'm going to have to cut it there and end plate it again like what we did with the splitter, but I'm going to try and do a bit better of a job this time on these side skirts. You can see that's been bashed in, so I'm going to have to fix that as well. But the goal is to get it bolted up to the car, get them sitting right, and then we can do the body work and get it looking good, ready for paint. Right, I'm not wasting any time. I want to get this done, so I'm going to throw these up on time lapse. I'm going to get these cut, and once they're bolted back on, I'll cut back in and I'll show you how I'm going to fix the bash side skirt, and then hopefully that'll be everything ready for paint and we can start working on our splitter extensions. Right, so you guys have just watched me fiberglass and fit up these side skirts, and right now I'm actually looking at the car with it completely finished. I ended up filming a bit and it was just a whole, I think I waffled for like 3 minutes, but it ended up being time lapse, so I can't use it. But anyway, we managed to get the side skirts fitted up nicely. They're looking proper good now. There was a few issues with the fiberglass would crack, but I managed to fix it. It's no big deal, and it is looking really good. So now you're going to cut to a time lapse of me repairing the big dent with a bit of cat alloy. I never put too much time into it because it is a race car, but it does look sick, and it came out really well. So you watch me fix it with the body filler, and I'll tell you a bit about the paint process. So yesterday we managed to get the side skirts on the lip in paint. Usually we film it, but I've seen us film a load of times, and it does look really good. So right now I'm going to show you what it looks like just before Dad starts doing his side skirt extensions, because we've just eyed up the first one and it's looking proper aggressive, eh? It's going to look actually like a race car now. But before we slap all the side skirt extensions on, we'll show you what the side skirts and the lip look on its own. And I think it already looks mean, just without the side skirt extensions.
Right guys, we've got the front splitter made. It looks mad, right? it looks way too aggressive at the moment, but you need to remember, me and Charlie have got a vision for this. So the side skirt extensions.
We've got secret stuff coming.
We've got secrets that we can't tell people now.
It looks aggressive, but it looks daft.
It looks mad.
When we've done our secret, it will look aggressive, but it won't look daft aggressive. You know what I mean?
This is a long-term project. This is what you need to remember.
It's not a long-term project. We've got 3 days to finish it.
We've got 3 days to finish this bit here, but this Micra will be continuously evolving as the channel goes on, and we've got big plans for this Micra, and this is just the beginning.
Yeah.
But this...
We've just decided we're going to turn it into a drift car.
This looks crazy. Look at this. So you've got the side skirt extension along there. We've not taken the green protective coating off it yet. That makes the body look a lot lower on the sides. And then we've got the mad aggressive front splitter, right? Proper aero. It's going to create so much downforce. This thing will corner like you wouldn't believe. It looks like it's got 500 brake horsepower, but it hasn't.
It's got to get us pulled over. That's what it's got to do.
It's still within the factory body lines.
Aye, the wing mirrors.
But yeah, what we need to do now is just neaten up this shape. We need to fill in these joints, so we're going to router this out and then we're going to fiberglass it. There's a couple of screws in there holding it that we're going to flatten off. And then Charlie's going to do that and paint it black. While he's doing that, I'm going to start de-stickering it, because we've got more news coming.
We've got new graphics and it's got to look sick.
For a start, we've got the new home built graphic that we're putting on it, and we've got more news coming. So you're going to have to stay tuned for that. This car isn't just going to a car show, it's not just going to Gibraltar, it's gone somewhere else next week as well, and we're filming an extra special video that you guys are going to have to stay tuned for. It's something we've never done, really cool.
No, we've got huge companies starting to work with us.
Really looking forward to it. We're really looking forward to the upcoming videos. You're just going to have to stay tuned and watch them, because it's going to be amazing. But this is all happening in the next couple of weeks, so this needs done. I can't waffle anymore. Let's get this done, get it black and get it back on the car.
Right, so it's been a good bit of time. It's getting late, but as you can see here, we've got the lip all sanded down, all catalloyed and body fillered back together, and I've put a quick coat of paint on them just to make them black. Tomorrow we're going to grab a can and get rid of the, what's it called?
Tiger stripes.
Tiger stripes,
yeah.
That's right. Tomorrow we're going to do that, and then it can all get thrown back on the car and it should be finished. Well,
almost finished.
Almost finished. You're away over there working on your secret project,
I'm working on
but
a secret project.
you just won't get to see that until the final reveal.
Someday.
And look,
almost
died on the jack, but it's naked again. It looks so strange, eh?
Yeah.
You can feel like a coating or something.
Nah, I think
It's just glue
dirt.
on the edge, but
it's a loaded dirt.
it looks weird.
Needs a good wash.
Yeah, we've got loads of stickers to come. They're almost finished. Dad's special secret project's almost finished. It's made a lot of mess just doing this.
Yeah.
But I think for today it's going to be us finishing up.
Yeah, I think so.
So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. It's getting proper hectic, eh? Because we're coming close to...
It's now Wednesday.
4 days left?
Be ready for Saturday.
Yeah, so we've got Shane and Ryan coming up soon, so they'll be getting us a hand with the chimney. But
We've got Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
it's getting tight,
Get everything ready.
it's getting tight, and these late nights are quite tiring. But
It's not even that late yet.
it is. It's like 7 o'clock.
Ah, but
It's getting there, but we won't be home until.
it's Wednesday now, so you guys will see this video on Thursday. We'll get this out for you guys, but Yeah, I wanted to try and put 3 videos out, but it's not going to happen, is it? There's so much work to do. We're just trying to beast it and get it done. Because we want to turn up at this car show. It's probably the last one we're going to do this year because we've got the Gibraltar trip. So we want to look good.
Yeah, we want to look good.
We want to look good there.
If you did in fact like the video, drop a like on
Hit
it,
the like button.
subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
We've never got more than 500 likes on a video, guys, so come on. See if you can get us 500 likes on this video, and I'll reveal a sneaky pic on Instagram or something for you later, and you can see my secret project early before Sunday. But 500 likes, come on, and hit the subscribe button as well.